Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys some new trend that I found, which has been around for like a week or two now. But if you guys didn't see this trend yet, it's basically where you go spin around, the camera spins around. That's basically what the trend is like. It's just the phone spinning around you and you're like lip syncing and stuff. Most people who do this, they use like a ceiling fan, in which I don't have, by the way. So this is gonna be really weird to make, but we're gonna be really creative today, and I'm gonna show you guys how you could do it without a ceiling fan. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications and being active as always. Thanks to these fam. And now let's get on with the supplies. Okay, ignore the mess. There's like huge mess everywhere. The trend basically goes where people tape like a string on their ceiling fan, and it basically just goes down like that. The string goes down, and also they're gonna put their phones in the string. But if you don't have a ceiling fan like me, then this is basically what you could do. Some stuff that you're gonna need are a yarn or any string really, and I got like these like medium-sized pole thingamajiggy, and lastly I also got this pole that you could like expand or make it small if you want. You could get those at a dollar store. They're pretty much goes for like $1 or something. But yeah, I got this white pole over here, and I just kind of like sized it up to where it could fit from here all the way to here. If you guys have a random pole at your house, make sure to go grab them. The good size of a pole that you could use is probably like a little bit over your arm length, and I'm gonna show you guys how I set up this thing. First of all, I put this pole right over here. Make sure that this second pole that you are gonna be using, that it could go rotate 360 without hitting anything around your house, like a wall or like a cabinet or something like that. You know, just be careful when you're doing this. Second thing that I did is I tied up a string right over here. I did it like around like the size from my pinky all the way to my thumb like this, so a little bit over, just like that should be the good size. And I also tied the second medium pole that we're gonna be using for this video right over here. Can't really see it because it's blurry, but it's right over here. If you guys tied it up perfectly, you should have a setup just like this. This is the first pole, and this is the second pole that we're gonna be using. The last thing that you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to put another string on this second pole right here that we're gonna use for rotation. And I tied it up at the first end right over here, and this is where I'm gonna be putting my phone all the way down here. The way that you're gonna put your phone on this one, whoa! The way that you're gonna put your phone on this one is that you're gonna need a phone case, and these two parts right here, you're gonna be putting your phone case at one end to the other. I'll show you guys in a bit on how it is done. And the very last thing that you're gonna need is to put something right on the other side from where you're gonna put your phone. And we're gonna be needing some weight right here, because once we have our phone on the first right end over there, it's gonna start like not being balanced, and this phone is gonna go just like that. And as you can see, it's not equal. So I'm gonna be putting my phone and also my weights right now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the final setup. So again, ignore the mess in the background, but this is what we have so far. As you can see right there, it's kind of spinning. And for the weights, I use my strap for my AirPods, which is this thing right here, and also one hanger. I don't know what I did. I just tried to make it as balanced as possible, and this is what I got. One more thing, I tried to make the phone a little bit downward rather than being balanced so that I could see myself, because I think I put it a little bit too high. So yeah, this is the product that we have so far. And for the phone, what I did is I put a string here on each side of the phone so that it's balanced, one on each side. And yeah, so I know it looks really dark right now, but I'm gonna be filming mine right now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how it's done. I have to like spin the string a lot so that it would spin back itself, and I don't have to like touch it.
Oh, so it does two spins. It does a full spin with the caption, and then a spin on its own with the thingy.
Yeah.
The string.
I kind of did a thing where I tried spinning this pole around as many times as I could so that it would spin back, and I would let the gravity handle all the spinning so I don't have to touch anything. Okay, so we are finally done filming. I know this is a lot of work. It's similar to how we did the floating phone transition. If you guys remember, we made like those like rulers out of our bodies or something, and we put wires and stuff inside of us. It's kind of like a lot of work. This one is kind of like one of those, but at the end, once you did it, it's gonna be like really like a-okay. So now it is time to prepare this video into posting it into TikTok. So depending on the song you're using, it could be like the one where it goes like, where have you been all my life? For this tutorial, I'm gonna be using a different song, and it's called Telepatia. I don't know, this song is just really nice. So I'm gonna be using this audio, and I can't really play it on here, but if you want the link to the song, I'm gonna be putting it in the description of this video. So if you guys don't know how to save an audio, basically just pick any of these videos right here. Let's say click on this one's right here, click on the share icon, and click on save video right over here at the bottom left of our screen. The next step is we're gonna be editing this so we could put the audio into our video to be able to post it on TikTok. The editing app that we're gonna be using for this video is called CapCut, and I do not know why Lil Nas is right over here. But anyways, let's go ahead and click on new project. So we're gonna be selecting one video, which is the one that we filmed. So this is my video right here. As you can see, I'm kind of like all over the place. So we're gonna be selecting this one and click on add. So right now what you're gonna do next is we're gonna be importing our audio into the video by going into add audio on the bottom. Click on extracted because we're gonna be grabbing the audio from the video that we saved. And the video is right over here. Click on import sounds only. So you should do this. As you can see, the audio is automatically down here at the bottom, and as you can see, this is where the audio ends. So that's how you know this is the length of our total video out of all of these right here. So I found the beginning part right here of our video, and I just went ahead and click on it, and I went on split on the bottom left. From the left side of where we split, I just go ahead and delete that one by clicking on it and pressing on delete. And now your goal is to make it so your video matches with the audio. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what we have at the end. Right, I just finished connecting the video into the audio, and now we have this final product. I think out of all of those fittings that I did today, this is like the best that I have. So now as you can see, our audio ends right over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be matching the end part of the audio into our video. Since we have a lot of extra videos right here, we're gonna be clicking on the audio right here, and it takes us to the very end of the audio, and we're gonna be clicking on the video again. Click on split, and everything to the right, we're gonna be deleting it because we don't need it anymore. Now you should have something like this. This part is gonna be optional, but for me, I feel like adding like filters or effects into my video, and there's a ton in this app. You're gonna be clicking on the clip right here. We're gonna be clicking on filters right over here. As you can see, they have a ton of filter options. There's like nature, retro, black and white, style. It is up to you what you want to add. So this is the filter that I picked, and now my video looks like this. So now that if you're done, you're gonna go ahead and click on the top right, which is the share option, and it's gonna export by itself, you know? Magic. So now it's gonna ask you, share to TikTok. Let's share to TikTok. The rotation for this video is so perfect. I'm like, I like it, you know? Press on next, and press on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own spinning fan without a fan thingamajiggy, then be sure to tag me on TikTok. My TikTok is Life with Erick. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. And yeah, so that is it for this video, and I hope you guys find this video really helpful. And if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, and wish the links be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Someone wants to say goodbye. Let's tell them to say goodbye.
Bye!
Bye! Okay, bye guys.
Mario!